sticks, as you... Merry Christmas everyone, this is 2019, so we're going to unbox a few things we have for Christmas special this time, and it happens to be the season of PlayStation 4 games. You can see right there. So we've got a couple of good ones here. Well, that's not a good one. But we're going to unbox these. We're going to take a look at them and see what we have. So we've got these ones here, but we're going to look at the big one I got for Chrissy. And that is, well, this is one of the things. This is PlayStation VR, obviously a giveaway here. This is the Star Trek Bridge Crew VR, but I got it bundled with the PlayStation VR, as you can see right there. Beautiful. So I'm going to unbox this and we're going to see what's inside the box, and then we'll hook it up and we'll see a little bit of VR. Okay, let's take a look at see what's in the box. This is the PlayStation VR, as you can see with the other worlds in there and the camera as well. So let's take a look, and we've got our VR headset, we've got our processing unit and all the other goodies. Let's have a look. Alright, let's open this up. So before I actually do this, I might actually open this one up because I can hear a rattling of the disc. So let's open this up real quick. So this is Star Trek Bridge Crew. This is one of the games that I want to play for sure. Let me just open that up. See what we get inside. So let's get rid of this rubbish. Okay, let's open her up. And of course, the disc was rattling around as usual. And let's plug that back in there like so. Yeah, and basically all you get is the disc, and of course the Bridge Crew thingy. So we've got, ooh, don't know what that is. Eagle Flight. Oh, it's advertisement. Okay, so it's other games I can try in VR. So this is the Bridge Crew. Game instructions. Interesting. Huh. Okay. That looks pretty cool. That's basically all you get. Oh, that's pretty good. So we'll be playing that later, as well as a little bit of Beat Saber, because I did get that. So let's open up the actual unit itself. So I have been waiting a long time to actually get this. I didn't bother actually getting it because of the price, and I didn't want to pay a huge amount. I actually bought this for Black Friday, and we got it for about $250 Australian, which is actually not too bad. If you convert that to US dollars, I'll probably put that somewhere down below to give you the conversion. But let's open her up, and as you can see right here, we've got a box within a box. Okay, so let's open this up. And as you can see, we have an empty box. So let's put this over here. And let's open up the actual box itself. So we have a few things here. You have the Other Worlds voucher code, so it's a downloadable thing. They don't give you the actual disc, so that's cool. And we have some other crap. We have some accessories that tells you that. Yeah, I have these right here. So they're sitting on the charger right next here. So I have two of those already. So I can play some decent games, and there's just a few things in here. Yeah, Blood of Truth, that's on sale apparently as well. Some useful information if you need help. Ooh, a cleaning cloth. That's a nice touch. So, let's see what else we got here. Oh, there's more documentation. Alright, so it tells you what's in the box, how to hook it up, you know, it comes with the camera and everything like that. So, let's take a look what's in the box here. And you've probably seen a lot of these unboxings where you open it up and you see all this. Oh, look at that, PlayStation VR. Nice. So, yeah, that's just a regular documentation. We've got our kit in here, so first things first, we have what looks to be the actual box thingy. I'm using correct terminology. So yes, we've got basically the VR box here. We've got everything from the proprietary connection, the HDMI connection. We've got more HDMI, micro USB, 12 volt power, and a fan, it looks like. This apparently, if I remember correctly, slides in or out, or not. But we'll take this to the side. And we will check out other stuff here. So, what do we got? Got the power, that's important. We've got, oh, a very tiny camera. Oh, this actually looks a lot smaller than it looks like in the actual pictures. So this is version 2, obviously. So that's the PlayStation camera. It doesn't look like there's any stand on it. I don't know how that actually, oh, it comes with a stand everywhere. There we go, that's the stand. Nice. So we'll grab this out. Let's put this to the side. Might take the actual stand out as well. It's the actual stand. Put this over here. And we'll take, what else we got here? We've got the, looks like a micro USB as well. So that's useful. We've got our instructions on how to do this. We've got our, what looks to be our power. And we have, what looks to be a headset. Don't need that. Okay, we've got HDMI as well. Alright, so I'll check all this out. Where is the actual headset? Alrighty, there we go. Here's the actual headset. Right here. Nicely wrapped. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Very nice headset indeed. That's the lenses in there. Looks like it's fairly adjustable here. PlayStation VR. It's fairly nice. Comfortable. It's really cool. This looks like it's HDMI and some proprietary connection. Or it's USB or something. I don't know. Looks pretty cool actually. That heads to the box, I'm assuming. But yeah, let's hook this up and see how this goes. So that's, I'm assuming, the power button of some kind. So yeah, we'll hook this up and see how this runs. Okay, so this is everything out. Let's check out some gameplay with Beat Saber. So here we go. Let's do it. Okay, third attempt. Alright. Okay, so this is the PlayStation VR. Put in Beat Saber. Right, so that's the demo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.